Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. This is our monthly stash down video. So anyway, I'm mass recording a bunch of videos on a Saturday, including this one. I just did recorded a what's in my bag video. That's this bag right here. And I was at Michael's earlier, and I bought this yarn. Woolly's Air. Look how fluffy that is. So anyway, there'll be a separate video on this. And I'm also in the process of recording a tutorial. Oh, I got it next to me. Doing a tutorial on this little basket. So my original plan was the basket was going to be all in this yarn, but I had 3 skeins of this and I've already gone through, I had 4. This is the 4th one. I've already gone through 3. And I wanted my basket a little taller, so going through my stash, I found some. This is the beginner. They call it beginner yarn. So I'm using 2 strands together, kind of equal one strand. I don't know when that video will be out. It might be. We'll see how far I get into this. It could be a bit like at least a week after you see this video, or close to it. So I'm working on that. Hope to have it out soon. My basket. I got a big basket, which is by far that's the video, the tutorial that's like blowing all the other videos out of the water. I don't know, somebody liked it and now it's very popular. And so I'm trying to make another a smaller version of the basket. Hopefully we'll have similar success as my big basket. Anyway, we're here for stash down, and I gotta be careful because I dropped my scale. So this piece, it broke. So hopefully it will still accurately weigh stuff. I'm sure it will. But I gotta be careful now because my top just came up. So right now this just sits on top of my scale. Which is, okay, I got it on the right way. Surprisingly that is not square. So, alright, so that is sitting. So anyway, we're here for stash down. Yeah, okay, not the bag itself, but yeah, all that in there is dashed down, which probably, I think, considering my last couple of months, I don't think I have as much. That's not saying much because there's quite a bit in here. So, no further ado, let's get started. Oh, start out, I think it's the pumpkin I made on the knitting machine. So I do have tutorial how I did that. So I'm gonna turn on my scale. So you hear the clicking in the background. If it turns on, okay, there we are, it's turning on. Alright, put you on scale. That is a 1.4 ounces, or 34 grams. That is this pumpkin. Alright, so this is a very small version of a Bag O' Day hat, which is hat pattern. Yeah, very small. Just kept it small. Probably fit on one of the dolls. Or hey, I can leave it out. It can be a Christmas tree. It can be a Christmas tree, right? Getting to be Christmas. Kind of stuff it a little bit, and then it'll be a Christmas tree with a tree skirt. Maybe put some little Christmas decoration stuff in there. That might cute. That might be cute. So, all right. Well, let's see how much that weighs. Okay, so that is 4 ounces exactly, or 116 grams. That. All right. Oh, speaking of Christmas tree stuff. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this might be more, it might work as a topper on a Christmas tree, but Yeah, this snowman head came off a loofah that I had, and it just fell off. So I was hanging on to it for a rainy day. Let's save it for a future project, and here it is. This, I want to say it's, I got a Christmas tree pattern that's similar, but I was trying to remember. This, I think it's, looks more like a cone. I think I did a row and increases of this every 3 stitches on every row, and I think it was supposed to only increase every other row. But I like how this is. It's cute. I like that. That is, I know the pink is the Just Chanel yarn, and I don't know what this yarn was. It was scrap. So, let's see how much this guy weighs. Alright. It weighs 1.7 ounces. Oh, nope. 1.8 ounces. Oh, wrong one. Ah, shoot. I end up zeroing out, so I gotta wait again. I gotta wait for it to turn off, so I can get the grams on you. I pushed the wrong button. Well, while we're waiting, I can show you the next item. It's a donut. Oh, I just dropped my donut. Alright, this donut, Elaine over at Penguin Place Crafts does the mystery yarn challenge, and now took it over from Lori over at Armchair Chef. So that's what this is. She had I played bingo, so one of the bingo items was this food item. So, which reminds me, I think she announced November's, and I need to go check out that video. I haven't got around to checking out her video, so I gotta go check that out to know what I'm doing. Let's see what her option is. So anyway, one of them in the bingo was a food item, so I did. It's a donut. Okay, so now I go back and get the grams for this guy, or we can weigh again. Remember, he was, yeah, about one. Well, that one time it said about 1.6 ounces. I think it got way different. Okay, so it's 44 grams. That's this guy. Like a donut, but you have it on grams. It's about 12 grams or 0.4 ounces. Donut. All right, I'll put some of you guys over here. All right, what else we got? Oh, I'm forgetting into Christmas. So I still have a bunch of these glass ornaments. But this yarn, I made this on my knitting machine. I think that's like 12 rows. I just gathered it at the bottom, gathered it at the top. And we're gonna throw it on my scale while it's still on. That weighs 0.4 ounces, or 19 grams. Yeah, I plan on making more of these. I like how that turned out. Right, oh, we'll show this guy. Oh, he turned out really cute. So, hat is an adaptation of a bag-o-day hat. Now, Laura over at Möbius Crochet and Farming does the Bot Hat Palooza every week. And this hat was one of those hats. And every so often, I'll make what I've heard as a bod buddy, or bag-o-day buddy, hat buddy. That's what we have in this case. Oh, I do have, I don't know if you can see the nose. Yeah, there's a nose. Eyes, nose, and mouth. That's all I have for them. It is cute. Okay, so I think while you're still on, I'll put you on. This weighs about 110 grams. Or about 4 ounces, almost 4 ounces. This guy. Cute. I might put you over here. Oh, I don't know if I got room over here now. There you are. Alright. Alright, do we got more than one of these? I thought I had 2 of these. Alright, I was sworn I had 2 of these. Oh, there it is. So this, I did a tutorial recently on Möbius. fidget toy. And this is the rigid one because I did it in front post, so that's why you can see the front post ridges in there. And this both came from the same yarn. See, I can probably do both of these at once, maybe. Well, one of them is 1.3 ounces, 34 grams. The other one. The other one I put in is slightly less, that's 31 grams. And 1.1 ounces. Those. Alright, this might be my only scarf, or we call it a cowl, I did off the knitting machine. So pretty much all I ran out, that's about as much yarn I had in this. It was a scrap yarn. I think it was a previous mystery yarn challenge yarn I had. So it's pretty much all it's long enough for a cowl. I'm not sure how I like how that was sewn on. I sewed the back, but then again you can tell which is the back. So that is 1.9, almost 2 ounces. And about 50, yeah, it keeps moving. We call it 56 grams. So that is that. I might donate this. Or purple, it is purple, I might keep it. Alright. Oh, I made these little socks, which I also have a tutorial out on how to make these socks. Okay, I probably didn't, I have that in there. I'm going to take that off. But I might eventually put it because I think I forgot to sew. I might fix that. I'll have to fix that later. And I think I put cotton balls in it to stuff them out, so I'll probably take, well, I suppose I could technically leave them in there. They are over a year old, probably. You got cotton balls, I hardly use, don't ever use cotton balls, but hey, they're great for stuffing. So I'm going to try to take them out because I don't want to weigh the cotton balls. Though they probably won't weigh hardly anything. I don't know if they'll make a difference. Okay, I think I'm going to my, I don't know what the deal, I guess because alright, to make sure it was zeroed out. It wasn't zeroing out, so. Alright, the purple sock I just put in there is 10, 12, yeah, it's like 11 grams. I might 0.3 ounces. Yeah, I'm getting wacky readings for my, this one I might leave the cotton balls in. That is 0.3 ounces or 10 grams. Probably that was in there. It probably didn't contribute that much. So far I got a bunch of these. I might start another one of those. I got several other socks, but they were made with yarn I bought this year, so I want to make more of those. Put those over there with my other kids. Oh, I got other socks over here. I think they're okay. Well, this one's not a hat. This is, it looks like it's a poppet. It pops it. It's a poppet function. It's like a poppet necklace. You know, I think I did put 6 in the center, a row of increase, and just one more row of plain around, and then just did 3 single crochets except for the long necklace, which might be about 100. So yeah, we have a poppet necklace. That's what that is. I don't have a tutorial on that. I just might make, or keep meaning to make a short about this, how to make this. That weighs about 25 grams, or about 1 ounce, maybe 0.9 ounces. Okay, I might wait for my scale to turn off because it's being, it's fluctuating quite a bit. I might have to let it turn off. Zero. But I can show you I got like 3 hats left. And these are all Bag O' Day hat patterns. This is the one hat I made with cotton yarn. I think when I matched time I wasn't sure if I was supposed to do another repeat of that, but I think I was supposed to do another repeat of that and then go to, but I just put a couple rows of single crochets. It is a little small on me, but not too bad, so I'll probably donate this hat. These last two, okay, this one's not a Bag O' Day, but the last two are Sesame Street / One Hat Wonder hats. I think this one I just, obviously you can see a seam, which means I went back and forth and made a seam. I think I just winged this one. And yeah, oh, that's the count. But this one is a Bag O' Day hat pattern. I kind of like, I like how this pattern, I like this for, I got a couple more One Hat Wonders yet, and this I think is a good pattern for that. Forgot what it's called, but it's probably one of her simple beanies. Yeah, because I think, yeah, I'll have to like pull that up again. It is one of her patterns. I like that. Alright. I'm still kind of waiting for my scale to turn off so I can, but I only got like 3 left. It does not want to turn off. I don't know why it doesn't want to turn off. Okay, we're just gonna go with it because it's reading like 0.2 ounces right now. So hey, it's about, okay. Count is probably closer to 2.9. It says 3.1 ounces, but it might be, we'll just say it's about 3 ounces. Or about 87 grams, probably 90 grams. Before, we're trying to move them around a bit. Okay. Oh, I stuck them. Okay, I stuck. About 88 grams. 80, 90 grams. That's for this hat. We'll see if Ernie is about the same. Oh, hey, it finally turned off. Alright, it's probably now zeroed out better. Let's see, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's about right. 2.5 ounces, which I think is about what these... Alright, that was weird. It turned off again. Might be time for a new digital scale. Or a new battery. Could need a new battery. Alright, that's 2.6 ounces. 73 grams. Finally, this hat. That's almost 90 grams for the hat. That hat, and 3.1 ounces. That's for that. And that is it. That is everything for Stash Down this month. Oh, and I forgot the most important thing. Stash Down. Stash Down 2024. That's hosted by Bridget over at Queen's Craft by Bridget. So make sure you go and check out her channel. So yeah, I can't believe I almost forgot to mention the person behind doing Stash Down. So that is all I have for this month. Make sure you go check out Bridget's channel. So if you did like this video, please get a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.